Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number in 2026. Step by step, even if you've never done it before. This guide is perfect if you want to maintain privacy, you don't have a phone number available, you're creating accounts for multiple purposes, or you just want a Gmail account quickly without verification. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working Gmail account without ever touching your phone number. Now, understand the verification process. Before starting, let's understand why Google asks for phone numbers. Google usually requests a phone number to verify you're not a bot, recover your account if you forget your password, enhance security for suspicious logins. However, there are ways to create an account without a phone using certain methods that work in 2026. Okay. Step one, or next, open Gmail in a private or incognito browser. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three bars at the top right and open new private window, right? And use Gmail. Okay. The easiest way to avoid phone number verification is to open Gmail, right? And create account. Let me change it to English so you can understand. Or let me here. Yeah. I can change it here to English. All right, great. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit create account. It's gonna ask you for your personal use, for my child, for my work or business, just say personal use. Important, use private browsing window or incognito mode. This reduces the chance Google asks for your phone because it won't detect previous accounts on your device. So add the first name. If you want to add the last name, you can do that. Birthday, June 21st, year 2001. Gender, male. Continue. Fill in the basic information, right? Like your name, first name, last name, desired Gmail username, strong password. So let's say here I want to add my name. Okay, the username is taken, 88. Okay. Add password, right? Make sure your password is secure. Avoid common sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password 1, 2, 3. So make it as complicated as possible. Say, okay. Right? Great. And continue. Right? And now what you're going to do, you're going to verify some info before creating an account. Google needs to verify some info about your device or phone number before you can continue. This helps keep you and others safe online by preventing abuse from computer programs or bots. Okay, so we're going to do, we're going to just add a camera here and scan the QR code using my phone. If you have a phone, just do that on your own. And what they're gonna ask you to verify using an email, right? And what you're gonna do, add your email and everything, and basically, yeah, that's it, right? A recovery email can help you regain access if you forget your password, right? Once you verify and everything, enter another email, for security reasons, enter a recovery email. Right? You don't enter just one email, for security reasons. Enter another email you own. This ensures you can recover your account if needed. Google may still need a verification link to this email, right? Date of birth, also make sure to add the date of birth, gender, etc. And yeah, basically accept the Google terms of service, right? And your account will now be created, right? Here's an optional extra security steps. Even without a phone, you can add extra security like two-factor authentication, backup recovery email, regularly check account activity for suspicious logins. Phone numbers are optional, but these steps keep your phone account safe, okay? And you're gonna just log in, test the new Gmail account. Once created, log out and log back in to ensure credentials work. Check sending and receiving emails, test attaching files and composing emails. This ensures your Gmail account is fully functional, right? If Google still asks for a number, try a different browser or device, clear cookies and cache, Use a VPN to change your region temporarily. Use an alternate recovery email. These methods usually bypass phone verification. Right? Avoid reusing usernames that may trigger spam filters. Always use a strong, unique password. Keep recovery options updated. Create accounts from incognito mode or private mode for multiple Gmail accounts. So creating a Gmail account without phone number in 2026 is completely possible, but it requires using private browsing, optional recovery email, following Google's verification carefully. Once done, you will have a fully functional Gmail account ready for personal, professional, or business use. If this beginner's guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, right? And I can also make an even longer version with, with full tutorial on managing multiple Gmail accounts safely next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.